I've been really taking my weight training seriously, and I want to take that to the next level. And I'd also like to see some skin tightening along the way, because even though I feel like I have lost my weight and kept it steady at a pretty decent point. I've gone from 146 pounds down to about 117 pounds, and I'm 5'5" and a smaller framed Italian woman. So I feel comfortable in my own skin again, except for I would like to see that skin a little bit more taut again. And that's something that you could work with a patient to achieve. I mean, how realistic are these goals?
So it's not going to turn your body back into your 20-year-old self, but you're going to support your cellular health, and we're going to combat the radical damage that's done by the environmental concerns. So you will see drastic changes. Some of those peptides, like MOTS-C is phenomenal. It used to be years ago that only Hollywood had access to it, and it will reverse aging of the skin rapidly. It also detoxifies the liver and cleans up our cells.